Friends, running kimono here. We have a midweek video. Walgreens, Dollar General, and Meijer. Oh my gosh, the deals are really fantastic, especially if you're in the Midwest with Meijer. Look at those gorgeous items at $5 a pop. Do I have your attention? If you guys could do me a huge favor before we dive into the deals, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, or if you have the hype button, if you could press it, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the video and the channel if you could do both or just one, or just even write something in the comments like hi. Okay, so over at Walgreens this morning in our digital coupons folder at the very top, I believe all accounts should have it. The top is a 7 back when you spend $35 on Black Friday promotional items. The start date for that is the 26th, right till December the 6th. So we'll talk about that one. Just load it right now. The second is a 15 back when you spend $45. And then my husband's account also had a 7 back when you spend $25 on any merchandise. Those are starting next week, but load them right now. First two deals I'm going to show you are just simply rolling from 1 to 2. Basic meat and potato deals. The Hello toothpaste, we barely ever get deals on that. So this is the one we're going to be talking about. They are $5 a pop. When you buy 2, you get back a $5 register reward. And we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. And if you live in a really small market, they probably don't have this Hello toothpaste. Sorry guys, it's just the way that it is. But grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $10 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per tube. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but what a fantastic little deal. If you still might have this one and you want to do it in store with that $5 register reward from Hello, this is the deal for you. We have some Walgreens paper towel at $3.99 a unit, so we're going to grab 3 of them for $11.97. Alternatively, if you wish to get the toilet paper at the same price point, or if you want to mix and match, by all means, do whatever you please, but you got to get at least 3 units that are $3.99 each, and this is a good amount of paper towels, so if you have a lot of animals, you can understand it's a really good deal. So 3 of these will be $11.97. Have your booster loaded to your card. That booster is also of a one-time use, so if you've been hanging on to it all week, this is the deal I would do. Have it loaded, present that $5 register reward from Hello to your cashier. It's a manufacturer register reward, so it will not affect the booster. With your debit card, you're going to pay $6.97. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash, basically making this a super-duper deal. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And if you don't have that $10 booster, it would be $6.97 for 3 of those paper towels, which is also a really good deal. Let's jump to the next store, that is the Dollar General. And if you're reading this signage correctly, their clearance event goes till Thursday, November the 20th. So you have today, which is November the 19th, and all day tomorrow, which is November the 20th. Lots of items has an additional 50% off with digital coupons. That is my interest because I love to get stuff for free or cheap because it's magical. This is a $2 off a 3.5 pound bag of cat chow, Purina cat chow. And a lot of stores either pulled the bags or they left the bags in the regular pet food aisle. And this is what one of them looks like. It's the complete. There's also one for mature, and then there's one that's like green and white. So with that $2 digital coupon, it makes this bag $1.25. Some of these bags are upwards of $6 or $7. Even if you don't have a cat, buy it and donate it to a local food bank. And they're one organization that's really in need of donations right now. Coupon that you're going to load is this $2 for the Vaseline. I know there was also a dollar store coupon, but if you don't have it, you would just load this guy. With the dollar store coupon, it would make this completely free. You would just pay down the tax. Alternatively, I think you have to pay 10 cents plus tax, but the Fetch Rewards rebate has $1 back for any Vaseline, and it's working with this product. It is the larger container of the Vaseline Men as well. And I got my 1,000 points back. And so if you want to try and track this down, look for it in the regular aisle or possibly in the clearance section, but I'm sure you'll be able to track one down. I've been finding quite a few of these in the last couple days. And remember, you have until Thursday to make this happen. Let's talk really quickly about some penny items. I wasn't really going to try and look for some of this stuff because I'm like, I don't remember seeing any of it. And but I know one store that doesn't really pull a lot of stuff for clearance events. I'm like, maybe I'll give it a shot. And to my surprise, I found quite a few items. I made a YouTube short yesterday where I was just showing you where I was finding this all in the store. I'll link it at the end if you want to take a peek at it. But to pay this is an 8-ounce container for a penny. It's unheard of. So if you happen to track this down in the store, scan the barcode. If it's ringing up 0.00 at the register, it should be a penny. I would look for these personally on a sky shelf, and that's where I found I think 3 of these, and then I found 2 of the Dollar General generics. But for all the new penny shoppers out there, that's precisely how we're figuring it out. This one is the Clover Valley, which is the Dollar General brand. It's called seasoning salt, so similar to the other one. And this has an expiry date of 2027, which is wow. So happy about that. And this is an 8-ounce bottle as well. Where they have all the last chance food, I found, I think, 6 packs of this pork gravy. It expires end of the year. Definitely maybe an item that I'll donate some of it to a food bank because that's quite a bit. Although we do eat a lot of pork chops in our house, but this is the one item I was most excited about, the pork gravy. And then the Eagle brand evaporated milk. I guess you can use this for baking. I never really buy the canned milk, but I found 15 cans of this, which was really nice as well. A really great item. I have a lot of family members that want it. I guess you put it in coffee as well. And then these large cans of the fruit cocktail in light syrup. I actually thought the can was smaller, when I saw the penny list originally. And shout out and thank you to Christie's Connections. Her and her team are fire. And I think they were talking about this along with the Geeky Banana Saves. She was sending me messages about this penny list too. I know if you're in penny shopping, you probably follow both of these YouTubers, but they both had this sort of content, and I was really grateful for it because I wouldn't know what to look for unless these ladies are posting stuff, and I love the visuals because I'm a visual learner just like many of you. And then just to show you the receipt, look at this gorgeous, it's just a lot of stuff, very, very cheap. And especially when it's food, it's right now really important. So I'm loving that. If you want to see where I found a lot of this in the store, I'll link my YouTube short at the end. Okay, the final store that we have is Meijer, grocery store, Midwest only, no sister store. They have a 15 off of 50, and this is valid from the 19th, which is today. It's starting right till December the 2nd. Load these M-Perks at the very least because you know what? It's going to matter to get this stuff really cheap because we don't ever get deals where stuff is so cheap. If you were in the store the week previous, if you spent $100, you might have gotten one of these. So this would be the week to use it, and you would get an additional $10 off your basket, which is magical and butterscotch pudding. However you want to put it, it's really, really fantastic. So just giving you the rundown of the coupons that you should load. We have a 3 off 1 for that larger Downy, the 15 off of 50, which is the P&G one. So load these. You just press the plus button. The $3 off the Gain detergent, and then the $5 off that Febreze plug scent booster, which is really, really nice. And we are also going to load this 5 off of 1 for a Tide. And usually around Christmas time, they give us a couple really good value coupons. And I'm kind of noting that this is the one that P&G is offering us because it's off of a $12.99 Tide. So it's making it $8 after everything's said and done. Let's jog through everything. I recommend you throw everything into your shop and scan to see the numbers reconcile the way that I'm going to show. So the first one is this Downy for $13.99, and we have that $3 digital. The second is the $12.99 Tide liquid or pods, and we have a $5 digital. Remember, I showed you all those coupons at the very top of the video. And again, with the shop and scan, you can see how the math is balancing in real time right in your hand with your cell phone. one of these Gain liquid detergents. It was $16.99, which is like bananas. And my store didn't really have a ton of these in stock, which is also kind of strange. And then we have the final item, one of these kits. There are various kits, but we're looking for the one at $10.49. And we have a $5 digital to accompany this friend. Just to show you guys, the overall total is $55.46, and then after all the coupons, the 15 off of 50, the new total is $21.46, not factoring in your tax. If you have that $10 coupon, if you spent $100 the week previous, throw it in, pay $11.46. If you might have any Meijer cash on your account or bottle return deposits, I mean anything to get a lesser out of pocket. But $21.46 for 4 items, absolutely fantastic. Double, triple check your Fetch account if you might have this, because you're going to get back $2.75 for your basket. I haven't done this yet, so I'm not sure because I'm at 21 if it's not going to give it to me, or am I going to get it? I don't know, but it's definitely worth a scan. Maybe yours is less than mine. Wouldn't that be lovely and great? Also, it's going until the 27th, which is Thanksgiving, the 39-cent turkey. So this is a larger turkey. I think it's a 17-pounder. It was $6.72. I've never had problems with this turkey. It's always really great. My husband usually puts it on the grill or in the oven, and it's always been really good. I read some people giving really bad reviews for this turkey, but I've never had issues with it. So it's probably the most cheapest turkey on the market right now if you're in the Midwest. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.